Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you the different types of bracelets that we have. We have the tiny bracelets. These are for kids. We have the small bracelets. These are kids can wear this as well, and adults too can wear this. And this is a large bracelet, basically for adults. Yeah, so all these are made from recycled glass beads. Most of them are the painted ones. These are the painted ones. Yeah, these are these, as I showed in the previous video, the translucent bead. These are small translucent beads in between the bracelets. Yeah, there's another one. The translucent ones are in between, and we have the painted ones. All these are made from recycled glass beads, and we also have the d.i.y beads. This bracelet is a large bracelet. It has brass bead in between. As you can see, it's very beautiful. Yeah. So, well, this small, I really like this small bracelet. It's very nice. I like it so much. I can actually put about 5 of them on. 5. And they are just lovely. You can see how lovely this. Okay, I have 4. Let me just put the last one on. Yes, so I have about 5 of them on. Is really beautiful having all these 5 bracelets on. Yeah, so these are some of the bracelets that we make. And if anyone is interested in purchasing any of these bracelets, you can contact me via email, moshelbeads@gmail.com. Yeah, so there are different types of bracelets that we make. So many different types. But these are just a few that I want to show you. The tiny ones, the small one, and the large one. So we have different sizes. Depending on your wrist size, then we will determine which one will fit you best. So this d.i.y bead one can actually come in a smaller size. Yeah, we do make it a smaller size as well. Yeah, but this is a large one. And because of the tension in between, it really fits a lot of people though. Yeah, this recycled glass bead. Yeah, so the small bead. Yeah, so I believe you want to know about this spacer as well. This is also recycled glass bead and it's dyed. Actually, they dye it. Yeah, these ones are dyed. Yeah, there's a brown one, the red one, the white one, the yellow one. Yeah, so so you have these ones, the yellow one, the blue one, the red one. Yeah, so the painted ones are quite interesting. Yeah, these are carefully hand painted. It's really interesting the kind of artwork these beads have. Very beautiful. Very beautiful bead. Very beautiful. So you can see each one is quite different. That makes some are similar. I wouldn't lie. These two are quite similar. You can see about the same bead running through, but they are. Each one is different. Each one is different, but they have a peculiar look. So yeah. So basically, these are some of the bracelets that we make. One of our best sellers as well. Yeah, so if you have any inquiries about these beads, you can email email me at moshelbeads@gmail.com. Yeah, I have the address of my email in the description box. So I also have the link of our other social media pages, Facebook and Instagram. The link is in the description box. You can just click and follow us on Instagram and Facebook as well. So just look out for other videos. I believe the next video is going to be a tutorial. I'm going to show you how to do a very beautiful chain bracelet with some of these recycled glass beads. I know you can't wait for it. Yeah. So thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do. Bye.